Alright, before you question it, this is how I found this fan. It's a Palco motor, cast iron, and it has 56-inch Compton greaves blades on it. I was surprised to see that they fit on it, but they do. And like I said, this is how I got from the house. I want to test it this way and see how it performs. So, afterwards, I do have a white 4-blade motor. This one had wood blades, and we'll see how it runs off metal blades and see if it runs out the same. So that's the next step after this video. But I was curious to see how this performs. So, let's go ahead and turn the control on low. These Palco motors are pretty strong, as you can see. This is all the way on low when it's getting that fast. So, kind of impressive. On low, we're drawing 0.54. Let's go ahead and turn it up a little bit. Moving right around there. .83. Some good air there. Go ahead and go to high. Sheesh. High speed, we are drawing 1.04 amps. So this is now drawing 1 amp. And that's with moving enough air to spin the Hunter H36. Definitely puts out a good amount of air. I wonder who discovered that these blades would fit on this motor, because this is quite an interesting thing. It runs good actually, surprisingly. So let's go ahead and just spin down. This Palco motor would have originally come with 4 wood blades. Actually, I have one for sale that's still down there. So, not sure what I'm going to do with the Palco motor yet. I might keep it, might not. I've had these, I don't care for them. If it was metal bladed Palco, we'll have to do, original Palco blades, I'd be more interested. But it's not. It's a vented one, which means it would have the wood, either the wood blades or the wood cane insert blades, which I don't care for either of them. So, like I said, interesting enough, they kept the blades, they kept the control from the 56-inch Compton greaves. I'm guessing the motor gave out over time, and they replaced just the motor with a Palco motor. Like I said, I don't know how they did this, but they did. It doesn't look. It's not a horrible combination. So if the other motor doesn't work, I'll keep this motor for now. But like I said, I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do with this thing yet. I definitely want to see how the Compton greaves motor compares to this motor with these blades, and I'll probably decide there. So yeah. Kind of weird because I'm not sure. There shouldn't be a difference between the wood blade and the metal blade ones, but who knows? I could be wrong. I wouldn't think there is though. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys.